For Siege X, we put a lot of work into helping you identify whether sounds are coming from above or below you. And in this video, I want to show you how it works. Here we are in Clubhouse. We've got one attacker right above us and another attacker right below us. Let's first listen to the one above us. It should sound more boomy and more thuddy, kind of like your upstairs neighbor. And on the contrary, sounds that come from below us have a more thin, more hollow, sharp kind of sound, almost as if they're coming from a basement in a house. Now this one's pretty subtle, but in time, once you learn what to listen for, it's a really powerful tool to have in your arsenal.